In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run ads on Etsy in 2025. If you're a seller on Etsy looking to enhance your shop's visibility or give your sales a boost, setting up advertisements can be a highly effective strategy. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step to ensure your advertising efforts are both intuitive and successful. First, you'll need to log into your Etsy account. This is your starting point, and it's important to ensure that you're using the correct credentials to access your seller dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, look to the upper right corner of your screen and click on Shop Manager. This tab is your gateway to all the tools Etsy provides to help manage and promote your shop efficiently. Next, under the Shop Manager, navigate to the Marketing section. Here you'll find Etsy ads among several other promotional options. Click on Etsy ads to proceed. If this is your first time running ads on Etsy, you may see an option to click Get Started. Doing so will introduce you to Etsy's advertising platform and guide you through the initial setup process. Now it's time to define your shop's advertising goal. You'll be prompted to select from several options such as increase visibility and awareness or drive orders short term. Choose the goal that best aligns with your current objectives and click Submit. Selecting the right goal is crucial as it influences how Etsy tailors ad placements and strategy recommendations for your shop. Once you've submitted your goal, you need to decide on your daily budget. Etsy offers several preset options: $1, $5, or $25, but you can also input a custom amount based on how much you're willing to invest in advertising each day. It's often advisable to start with a modest budget. This allows you to test the waters, see what kind of return on investment you're achieving, and adjust accordingly over time. Finally, after setting your daily budget, you're ready to initiate your ad campaign. Click Start Advertising to activate your promotions. At this point, Etsy will take over by automating ad placements and optimizing for your chosen objectives. To truly make the most of Etsy ads, periodically review your campaign's performance. Look at metrics like views, clicks, and conversions. This data will help you make informed decisions about budget adjustments or changes in strategy. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to unlocking the full potential of Etsy ads for your business. Remember, patience and regular evaluation are key to optimizing your advertising efforts. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing your shops flourish with these newfound advertising skills.